This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and this is the bundle. What is up, mga papips? This is your lavish yet thrifty friend again, who shares tips on how to live the quality high life without breaking the bank. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video valuable and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. I need your advice. Put your advice. Let me know in the comments below. There's DJI Mini 4 Pro that I've seen here in Costco, and the cost is around $1,299.99 without tax yet, plus eco fee of 20 cents. So this is gonna be 1,300, and then plus tax. And it's a bundle, so here it is. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and this is the bundle. It has one remote controller with screen, and then 3 batteries already, and then extra propellers. There are 2 packs here. There is one charging hub. This is the battery, and then the controller, and of course the drone itself. So let me know in the comments below if this is worth it. Here you go. That is the price of this DJI Mini 4 Pro. Yeah, seriously, please help me decide if that Mini 4 drone, DJI Mini 4 drone, is worth it or not. If that package is a good deal already, but I'm not yet going to buy it right now because I already have a Mini 3 Pro, a DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. But for you guys out there, if you are planning to buy that drone, let me know if it's worth it or not.